Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can extreme the awakening of this character, the LRSSG or Super Saiyan Gohan Teen and Super Saiyan Goten Kid in Dragon Ball Z Dokkan battle. I made this video for beginner or even intermediate that already play this game in a long time. So this is a good news for you. This LR GoBros, we call it, the EZA is on right now. So let's get to the extreme RZ area. Tap start button, tap the event, and tap the Z battle and this one, extreme Z battle of miracle calling class. Tap, and in this LR extreme Z awakening there are total 10 level 10 level that you have to complete, or you have to done the mission also. And this one, win the extreme Z battle miracle calling class at level 7, you can get extra 3 stone. And also tap the battle info first. Effective when attacking when you are using the LR character. As you can see, link skill legendary power that only LR character have. And also effective when defending when you are using planetary destruction category unit. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click that button below. Enjoy the game.